Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a line chart race using alienart.io. Open the web browser and navigate to alienart.io and make sure to be signed in. At first, we can click on the Statistics button located on the top navigation bar, select the cryptocurrencies dataset, and select some currencies, then press on the Create Project button. Here we can write a title. It will appear at the top of the project. Select an orientation. Now, choose Line Chart Race as the type and click on the Create button. As easy as that, a chart is created. Now we can look at the data page and see that the values are automatically filled. Here we can change the colors of the chart lines. We can use the Layers page to customize the look of the project. On the left side of the screen, select the Line Chart Race layer, and from the Value section, change the value type. Let's play also with other settings. From the Style section, we can change line stroke width and fig. From the Zoom section, turn on vertical zoom. If the items are far away from each other, we can use the Distance Between Items field to change it. Open Preview section and look at the final result. When you're happy with your project, click on the Export Video button located below the project preview. When the export process is complete, click on the Download button. That's it. You have successfully created a line chart race using alienart.io. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.